Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to clone any voice using the ElevenLabs AI. This is a mind-blowing. This tool is incredibly powerful and shockingly accurate, so let's jump in. First, head over to ElevenLabs and log in or create an account for free. Then from the dashboard, navigate to Voice Lab or clone to your voice. This is where you'll create a custom cloned voice. Then here, create a voice and instant voice cloning. You'll be prompted to upload a short audio clip of the voice you want to clone. Then name your voice or upload an audio sample, then select a speaking language. Then create or click the create voice and let the 11 Labs works its magic. It usually take a minute or two. Once your cloned voice is ready, go back to speech synthesis tool. Then type any text you'd like. You clone your voice to say, whether it's a podcast intro, a story narration, or even a fan prank message. Then here you can also adjust the settings to suit your needs. The stability, the clarity, similarity enhancement, and the style exaggeration. Then after that, click generate and listen to the cloned voice bring your text to life. You can download the audio file and use it to your content however you like. Only cloned voices have a permission to use, especially for public or commercial projects. Respect the copyright and personal privacy laws. And that's it. You've just cloned a voice using ElevenLabs AI. Whether you're making a personalized audiobook, AI voiceover, or having fun, this tool opens up many creative possibilities. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, smash that like button and drop a comment on what voice you'd love to clone. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching!